All right, the second thing that we're going to do once we've tested your hearing is we're going to walk through a detailed explanation of those hearing test results. So we're going to take that printout and explain what's going on with your hearing, why you're hearing the way that you are, or maybe aren't hearing some things, or you're not hearing them clearly maybe. Whatever the case may be, we're going to explain what's going on. And it's important that you understand what's going on with your hearing, where you're having challenges and why you're having those challenges, so that you can be comfortable moving forward in the process if that's what you choose to do. So the second step is simply to walk through, and we'll explain so that you understand what's going on with your hearing.